Blend it on over your entire face.
Scientific art of beauty.
She pats it on lightly.
A lot of people think makeup has changed so much over the years.
Start to work with a cold cream.
Creates her flawless complexion.
But to me, beauty has always been the same.
Here is one of the most successful businesswomen in all America. Her name is Victoria Jackson.
Victoria Jackson is a phenomenon in the world of beauty.
My whole philosophy is really based on a no makeup, no makeup, no makeup, no makeup, no makeup.
Introducing No Makeup Makeup. My mission has always been about empowering women to embrace their inner and outer beauty. No Makeup Makeup represents the freedom to feel good in one's skin. All my life, I've dreamed of beauty that isn't about layers of makeup, but about the confidence that comes from within.
I think we feel better about ourselves when we look better. You just do. You look better, you feel better.
It's about simplifying, not overdone.
She doesn't look overly done. Just looks beautiful.
Foundation that is so lightweight and skin-like, you're gonna even forget you're wearing it.
A healthy skin can be kept attractive with only a few simple preparations.